7 Gold IRA Strategies to Protect Wealth from a Market Meltdown. When markets face chaos, traditional investments often crumble under pressure. A Gold IRA provides a safeguard, offering stability when uncertainty dominates. By adding physical gold to retirement savings, investors can shield their wealth from inflation, crashes, and systemic risks. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 7 proven strategies to protect wealth through a Gold IRA. 1. Diversify smartly, avoid relying only on stocks and bonds. Placing a portion of savings into a Gold IRA spreads risk and brings balance during turbulent times. 2. Inflation defense. Gold has historically preserved value when currencies weaken. A Gold IRA ensures that retirement funds retain purchasing power even as prices rise. 3. Safe haven stability. In crises, investors rush toward gold. Holding physical gold in an IRA offers a safe harbor when banks or markets falter. 4. Preserve long-term value. Unlike paper assets tied to earnings or performance, gold maintains intrinsic worth, making it a reliable retirement anchor. 5. Rollover advantage. Transferring funds from a 401k or IRA into a Gold IRA allows tax benefits while shifting assets into a more resilient form. 6. Secure custodianship. Selecting a trusted Gold IRA custodian and approved storage vault protects holdings from fraud, theft, or mismanagement. 7. Balance with liquidity. Keeping liquid investments is wise, but anchoring part of wealth in physical gold safeguards against systemic shocks. Market meltdowns are inevitable, but losing wealth does not have to be. A Gold IRA offers diversification, protection, and long-term security. By applying these strategies, investors strengthen their retirement plans and guard against uncertainty. In times of crisis, owning a Gold IRA can mean the difference between vulnerability and resilience. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.